Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's now solve activity questions 1.11, question number 1. So what is given in the question? We have the definition of a domain. Now we have a function here fx equals to x plus 12 over 4x minus 8, right? Now we have to determine what is the domain of the function f. That means in which region the function f, the value of the function f is going to be valid, right? So clearly, if 4x minus 8 is not equals to 0, then we don't have any problem with the definition of the function, right? That means if x not equals to 2. So our domain become r minus 2. That means option 4 is correct. Clear? Let's now move to the next question. So what is the next question here? The product of the minimum value of this function and the maximum value of this function is what? So we have given fx equals to 9x minus 8. So what will be the minimum value of the function? We know that mod x is greater or equals to 0, right? So if we do some constant multiplication, then it will be again same, right? Now 9 into mod x minus 8 will be greater or equals to minus 8, right? So the minimum value of f is minus 8. Fine. Now we need to calculate what is the maximum value of gx. So our gx is 11 minus x plus 8, right? So clearly we can split the function with two different intervals, right? If x is less than minus 8, then this term will be negative. Then it will be 11 plus x plus 8, right? Which is okay. And if x is greater or equals to minus 8, then this term will be positive. Then it will be 11 minus x minus 8, right? So if we just simplify it, it will be 19 plus x when x is less than minus 8 and 3 minus x when x is greater or equals to minus 8. Okay. Now we have to check what will be the maximum value of x. Okay. Yeah. So when x is greater or equals to minus 8 and less than 0, then minus x will be greater than 0 less equals to 8, right? So 3 minus x will be greater than 3 and less equals to 11, right? So 11 is the maximum value in this interval. Okay. Now when x is greater or equals to 0, then minus x will be less equals to 0 and 3 minus x will be less equals to 3, right? So far our 11 is maximum value, right? So in the interval, so 11 is max in when x greater or equals to minus 8. Okay. So when x less than minus 8, then 19 plus x will be less than 19 minus 8, right? Which is 11. That means the, in this interval also 11 is the maximum. Hence 11 is the global maxima of g. That means maximum value of g is 11. Okay. So we got the maximum value of g and the minimum value of f. Now we can simply multiply these two. Then it will be minus 8 into 11, which is minus 88. So this is our answer. Okay. Let's now move to the next question. What is our next question? We have a function f from the set of all natural number to the set of all natural number. Okay. Such that f is n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd, and f is n by 2 when n is even. So we need to check whether it is 1 1 or on 2. So clearly f of 1 equals to 1 plus 1 by 2, that means 1, right? And f of 2 equals to 2 by 2 equals to 1, right? So 1 not equals to 2, but we have f of 1 equals to f of 2. Hence immediately we can imply that f is not 1 1 function. Okay, then we can discard the first option, and we can discuss the second option. Now we need to check whether f is onto or not. Okay, so if we take any natural number, okay, so what will be the pre-image? If n is odd, then if the pre-image is odd, then we will get f of m equals to n, that is n plus 1 by 2. That means n equals to 2m minus 1. If n is even, then we will get n equals to 2m, right? So in both the cases, both the terms are valid. Both the term will be in the set of all natural number, right? Because m is greater or equals to 1 here. Okay, so it will be again greater or equals to 1. So we can imply that f is onto. Hence, f is not 1 1, but f is onto. That means option 3 is correct. F is onto but not 1 to 1. Okay. Now let's move to the last question. Question number 6. Here we have a given function here. We need to check what is the domain of f. Okay. That means we need a region where the function f will be defined, will be valid, right? That means the portion which is under root, it will be greater or equals to 0. Then the function will be valid, right? So our condition is 3x plus 35 minus 5x by 4, it will be greater or equals to 0, right? That imply 12x plus 35 minus 5x by 4, it will be less equals to 40, right? Okay, so here we will get 7x plus 35, it is less equals to 14 into 4. That means 7x less equals to 14 into 4 minus 35, okay, which is 21. That means x is less equals to 3. So this is the domain for x. That means x will lie in the interval minus infinity to 3. So our option 3 is correct. Thank you.